Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Neil Biker and Ridersden. So today we are going to talk about specific riding gears which is a riding pant, which is really necessary for any riders. So we are the authorized dealer of BBG in Kolkata, and so earlier BBG had only one pant segment, but now they have introduced 3 more colors in their pant. Okay, so they have orange, red and green, neon you can say. So currently we have the red and neon with us, and it's in stock. So I'm going to just talk about brief. So as you can see, this is the red one. This is a red riding pant from BBG, which has a logo, reflective logo, which is going to give you a good exposure at night time. And as you can see, this section is also reflective, and they have a gorgeous logo at the back saying BBG. Okay, so it has level 2 protection, level 2 with 600D polyester, and the whole front portion has a lot of mesh. So so this mesh is going to help, like, it's a breathable mesh. So while you are riding in a temperature like Kolkata, it's not going to be a problem. It will be a easy breathable mesh, so you can ride it. Okay, so inside if you see, it has a thermal liner. Okay, so this is detachable. You can remove this thermal liner very easily. They have a chain system in here. You can just remove and pull it out. And also they have one outer rain liner. It's in case of heavy rain, in case of heavy rainfall, you can use this. And so I guess that's all. So they have a little bit of cordura I see in here. So it will be it's really good to be material. They have 2 pockets in this section, so both of them are waterproof. Okay, so this is the red one. I'm going to show you the neon one. Okay, so both of this looks really gorgeous. Earlier BBG had this color in their jacket, but they had only one option for their pant. Okay, now you have almost 4 options for. So this is the neon one. In back also the design remains same. They have the gorgeous logo in here, and this is the reflective thing they have added in back for a greater exposure at night time. And this is the from the front. So yeah, so level 2 protection, 600D polyester and mesh, so those things they have added. So if you want to get this pant, you can get it from our website ridersden.in, and we have our Instagram as well. Do check out our Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Okay, and the location is Bangur Avenue in Calcutta.